So fans, as you saw in our last video, we did a little dump with the S10. As we quickly went over in that video, the starter just kind of knocked off. Grant, the haters are saying that she won't run. What is that, huh? I thought it wouldn't run again. What? It is.
It's a little different now, I'll say that.
It's driving fine. The door! My door! My door! My door slid open! It doesn't shut. Oh my, that is quite naughty. Our headlight got loose, our headlight's loose.
That's okay, we don't need
It's sliding all around. My door is open. That was not very cash money on her part.
It sounds a little different now.
What do we think, Grant?
I don't know. It was a little more vibrations than I wanted.
A little more than you wanted. JP, what was it like following?
It was fun. I really liked the look of it. I mean, it is a crap box, but...
JP, how's the weather?
You know, we're warming up here. It was pretty cool. I had frost on my windshield today, which I rated me very much.
It wasn't brick.
It was absolutely brick.
It was absolutely brick.
It was absolutely brick. There was frost. I had frost on my car that I couldn't just wipe off with my windshield. It's brick.
For the boys?
Yeah, for the boys. What happens when engines foam?
That means that they're not coming up the push rods right with enough oil.
Hey, Grant. So how are we going to solve our little knock for the meantime?
Well, Lucas Oil recommends that you put in about this for 4 quarts. We're just going to put it in.
The whole bottle?
Yeah, why not?
This is going to be fun. See, we used this to save my engine, but it was a much better quality.
It's also aged.
Yes.
How old is it?
This is from the original Bronco engine when that blew up.
So like 3 years ago.
Yes.
Should be interesting.
Oh my God, look how...
Right, isn't it supposed to be like a bluish?
Yes.
That is thick.
Son, she thick, boy!
There's something definitely wrong if the oil's foaming. Like that. That's a lot of foam there.
It didn't what?
This is additives or helpers.
Yeah. Oh.
I didn't have any helpers. Usually those things foam it a little. I didn't have any.
We just drove around the block, what, 2-3 miles? Just to prove to you that if you have a seized engine, you can still drive it. Like nothing. That is the most mint engine I've ever seen, Grant. What do you think?
It works.
It works.
By definition.
By definition. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, you will get a kiss from Baby Grant. What?